Welcome to Scratch Cat Fever. We have a stack of 25 $2 scratch tickets. Here to do the scratching is everybody's favorite stray, Mister Pawlopples. Look at that, he's going right at it, Mister Pawlopples. Good job. 419 we have. Next up, get situated here. We have 15 and 8. Next we have 3 and 6. 17, that's a 1. And 12, 16. All right. Well, we have. Ooh, we got some matches. We got the 4 and the 8. Let's see what the 8 is. It's $1. All right, $2 winner right off the bat. There you go, Mr. P. All right, $2 winner off ticket number 82. Next up, ticket 83. These are cash extras. Mass State Lottery. We have our winning numbers of 8 and 9. Try and match up our numbers here. We have 14, 7, 6, and 19. Next up, we have 13, 1, 16, and 4. Last row, 18 and 17. No matches. The extra part of this game is on the back of the ticket. I do not like these types of tickets because it involves reading, which Mr. Pawlopples cannot do. He's a little embarrassed by this, so I'll go ahead and give his little paws a rest. We need a gold bar to win. And we have an orange sailboat, a moon, and a ring. No gold bar there. We have a horseshoe, an orange, a hat, and a ring. No gold bar. Here's our $2 winner, ticket 82. The next stack of tickets are winning sevens. It has 2 games. One is a tic-tac-toe style, where you need a row of 7s. No row of 7s there. And then just match your number in the next part of the game. Let's go ahead and scratch these numbers. We have 5, 4, 24, 6, 3, 22, and our winning number is a 9. No win there. No win on ticket 163, 164, the tic-tac-toe, nothing. All right, we're looking for our numbers, our bonus. We have 8, 16, 25, 18, 22, and there we go. Automatic win with that 7 symbol. Now let's see if we can match any of our numbers. And with the 5 we cannot, so let's see what's underneath the 7. It is $2. That's $2 for ticket 164. Let's get to 165 here. We're looking for a row of 7s, and we do not have a row of 7s. Now our winning number, let's scratch that off. We have a 9. Let's try to match up this 9. 5, 3, 2, 25, 20, 16, and 24. Next up, the Christmas themed scratch tickets, Merry and Bright. Let's see what our winning numbers are. We have 17 and 11. Try to match those up. We have 13 and 5, 12 and 2. Next up we have 1, 16, 7 and 9. Last row we have 10 and 4. Not a winner. We have $4 in winning so far, so let's get to ticket number 175. See if we can get that total up a little higher. For our winning numbers, we have 8 and 5. Matching these up with, nope, we have 16 and 12, 7 and 6, 4 and 10, 11, 1, 15 and 13. No matches. What's that, Mr. Pawlopples? We have some presents to open. Oh yeah, let's get scratching. Nope, well, 9 and 18. That doesn't match up, but we have another one. Let's open up those boxes there. Scratch, scratch, scratch. 8 and 3, so even though we forgot about them, they didn't do us any good. So let's get on to the last ticket, 176. Winning numbers, 7 and 5. We have 18, 12, 15, and 11. Next up, 17, 4, 8, and 2. 1 and 10 on the last row. Let's scratch these bonus boxes. Any treats under the, nope, 13 and 9. Not a winner. Next up, we have quick 100s. We have 5 of these. We have ticket number 90. See what our numbers are. We have 10 and 13. Try to match those up. We have 15, 20, 12, and 17. Next set of 4 is 6, 16, 4, and 9. 1 and 2 in the last row. So that one's not a winner. Move on to ticket number 91. Scratch off our winning numbers. We have 14 and 9. Alright, we have 7, 19, 12, and 17. 15, 11, 8, 2. And last row we have 3 and 10. Not a winner. Ticket 92 next. Mister Pawlopples is going crazy. He wants to get a big win here. Let's see, our winning numbers are 4 and 6. Underneath the first set is 2, 20, 15 and 9. 13, 14, 10 and 17. Last row, 8 and 18. No matches. The last 2 tickets, we have ticket 148 and 149. Must be from a different book. Let's go ahead and see. We have 11, 19, 17, 5, 7, and 3, 8, 12, 15, and 18. One and 20 to finish it off. No matches. Ticket 149. Come on, we need a big win here, Mister Pawlopples. We have 14 and 1. We have 4, 7, 17. Money bag. Instant win. Give me the loot. Give me the loot. Instant win with the money bag. 5, 20, 13, and 16. 18 and 10 for the other numbers. And underneath the money bag is $4. $4 winner on the last ticket, the quick 100. Next up, we have 5 bonus 20 times. Bonus number 16 with our winning number 17 and 4. We didn't match that. Now let's check over here. We have 17. That's a winner. 7, 18, and 13. 14, 6, 2 times. 11 and 24. See what's under the 17. We have $2. Under the 2X, we have $1 for a total of $4 on that ticket. That's a winner. Someone's a happy kitty. Try and match our bonus number, 13, with our winning numbers, 8 and 25. No winner there. We have 23, 17, 24, and 22. Next up, 3, 14, 21, and 12. And last, 15 and 18. No winner. Next up, we have ticket 196, our bonus number of 6. 23 and 1. No match there. 4, 21, 18, and 12. 9, 22, 14, and 7. Finally, 19 and 13. No match. Ticket 140, our bonus number 13, does not match. 12 and 25, 23, 4, 21 and 6, 1, 24, 11 and 17, 22 and 14, not a winner. Last ticket, 195, was found on the floor, lost in the shuffle, Mister Pawlopples. Bonus number is 25, 16 and 22, no matches there. 24, 21, 18 and 4, 9, 15, 19 and 6, 12 and 14, straight to the letterbox. Power Shot is our next set of tickets, 23 and 11. Try and match these. We have 19, 24, 17, 25, 22, 7, 21, 14, 8, and 15. Not a winner. Ticket 171 is up next. We have 22 and 19. 18, 3, 17, 6, 11, 21, 23, 15, 12, and 24. Ticket 173 is up next. Let's see what we have for our numbers. 21 and 16. 4, 22, 3, 6. 18, 7, 13, 8, 19, and 23. Not a winner. Last we have ticket 172. Looking for a winner here. We have 3 and 16. Underneath our numbers we have 9, 11, 21 and 6. 18, 14, 23, 4, 17, and 13. Straight to the litter box. Finally, we have 3 of the instant game, which is a ticket celebrating the 50th anniversary of the first scratch-off ticket sold in Massachusetts. We're going to start with ticket number 1. We have 18 and 17. They're winning numbers. Scratch-off, we have 13, 1, 2 times, 2x, and a 15. 19, 12. 6 and 11, 16 and 7. Now let's check underneath this bonus spot. Looking for a money bag and not it. Alright, we have $1 into the 2x for a $2 winner. Ticket number 94. We have 16 and 17. 12, 10, 18 and 7. 19, 4, 9, and 15. Last couple spots. 17 and 8. 17's a winner. We got a winner. Who's a happy kitty? $2 and nothing out of the bonus. $2 winner there, Mr. Pawlopples. Not bad. And for the final ticket, the last ticket, ticket number 95. 9 and 8. Matches up. We have 6, 3, 10, 13, 19, 4, 16, and 18, 15 and 11 for our final 2. Let's dig underneath that bonus spot. Pull out a $50 win right here. And nope, not a winner. $10 in total winners. Give Mr. Pawlopples a like and click that paw button to subscribe to see more Scratch Cat Fever.